blowing in the wind. What's this thing that's done and called a fart? Rat-tat-tatting of wind that's good for the heart. The sniggering release of that pungent smell, condemning the wife to a duvet in hell. Making it known that manners were breached, holden control is the doctrine wives teach. But this for me is a joyful sound, the changing keys my butthole has found. There's high-pitched rasp and low-drumming bass, orchestral manoeuvres done post-haste. But, well, then I'm embarrassed, quite a bit. Have to clench muscles in case I shit. Oh, dear. It wouldn't look good to give of my art. The passing of wind, the act of fart, yes. But, well, this childish glee, it's still so strong, of laughing and chuckling at sounds of pong. Yes, there's my record for the longest of time. For sprouts, beans and a hunk of swine, yes. 30 seconds, yes. 30 seconds, unable to stop. A record for farting and I was on top. Yes. And then the time I burnt a hole wide with lighter and gas that came from inside. Dear, I've totally ruined my new underpants. Ozone-friendly flatulence. But seriously, folks, it's all marketing maps. Until, that is, well, I suffered prolapse. So now I'm careful of flatus, that's Latin, 'cause when I fart I seem to be crapping, so avoiding the sprouts, the beans and the pork, my only control is, well, a wine bottle cork. Oh shit, done it again. I've got any paper.